Encountering the transaction error 2000, payment declined and retry on ALDI Mobile. This error means your payment didn't go through. It's typically caused by issues like insufficient funds on your card, incorrect card details such as expiration date or CVV, temporary glitches with the ALDI Mobile app or servers, or problems with your network connection. Sometimes security protocols or fraud alerts on your bank card can also trigger this error. It's important to understand that ALDI Mobile uses a prepaid system, so payment failures can immediately impact your service. If the linked credit debit card has insufficient balance, expired details, or security flags from fraud alerts, the transaction declines. First, double-check your card details and balance. Make sure the card hasn't expired and has enough funds for the transaction. Next, try clearing the ALDI Mobile app's cache in your phone's settings. This can resolve temporary glitches. A fresh install of the app may also assist by clearing any corrupted data. Ensure you have a stable internet connection. Switch to Wi-Fi or try cellular data if needed. Wait 10 to 15 minutes and retry the transaction. The retry prompt is a UI feature to resubmit without re-entering details, reducing friction. If these steps don't work, contact ALDI Mobile support directly via their website or app for personalized help. As of March 2025, ALDI has released updates to improve payment gateway stability, so ensure your app is up to date.